Hi, this is Ray Gralak, and I'm going to give a short demo today of connecting to my 1200 Go-To mount with APCC and the AP V2 ASCOM driver. I'm running version 1.8.1.1 of APCC Pro and version 5.30.10 of the ASCOM driver. The first thing I'm going to do is power on the mount so it's initialized. Before you connect, give it a few seconds, and I'm going to locate the mount, and I see it's here. I'm going to use the IP address. It's already been set up before. I'm going to select it here, and I'm going to connect. The mount is going to initialize now. I have the tracking rate set to 0 when it unparks the mount. So the mount now shows unparked and tracking equals 0. I'm going to close this down for now. And I'm going to go here and park to park 5. You can see that it's really close to park 5 already, so it's going to park there. Now I'm going to unpark from less parked. And again, you're going to see that the mount is unparked. Park again. Parked. Okay. Now I'm going to bring the driver into the picture. Notice that when I started up, I did not have auto connect to the driver. I recommend you don't do that. But you can do auto connect to the mount. But I do recommend you create the virtual ports first so that the driver will get configured with auto config, which you should have also checked. So let me connect to the mount through APCC. I'm going to move it over here. Let me expand it so you can see the park here. The mount is now parked, so let me unpark it. But before doing that, I'm going to unpark from less parked position. So okay. Again, no problem here. Everything looks okay. Let me park to park 5 from the driver. Again, okay. All the status is everything okay on it. Let me unpark from park 5. Again, tracking is enabled. If you don't want tracking enabled afterwards, you can uncheck this option here, which is enable mount tracking on unpark. If you uncheck this here, and let me park first. And so it's unparking. I can go into here and unpark from less parked, unpark. And now tracking is set to 0, but it is unparked. If you really want to have tracking enabled, you can do that from here too. So it is already unparked, so let me park again to park 5. And then unpark it. Fine there. I can actually do it from here to park. The driver should get updated as soon as it's parked. And there it goes. It sometimes takes a few seconds for it to show because it has to read back from the mount, which only pulls it once every 5 seconds or so. So then I can unpark from here. And again, tracking status and everything is okay. So park 5. So no matter which way you do it, the mount seems to park just fine. This is with a GTO CP4 and 1200 Go-To mount. I'm using version CP4 PO1 13 and ASCOM driver version 53010 and again version 1.8.1.1 of APCC Pro.